Okay, you guys, I'm back rocking with you today. I ain't gonna lie to you, a sister is tired. You know how you get all excited about the holiday, and then once the holiday is over, you're like, dang, I'm tired. So I promised you guys this apricot nectar cake, and I'm gonna do it. So in this bowl here, I have one 15.25 ounce of orange cake mix. I wanted the orange cake mix because it is an apricot nectar. So I wanted the orange color to reflect that. I also have one 3-ounce box of apricot jello that you put in here. Add your 3 eggs, your 1/3 cup of oil. I prefer canola. And here, the box says 1 cup of water. But what I did, I added 1/4 cup of apricot nectar, and then I did the rest to fill a cup. Okay, so we're gonna just pour all of this in here. Not all, because I really like to, check my batter just in case, that it's not too much liquid. So I hope you guys can hear me because I'm finna get to rolling with this mixer. And this is going to be a really, really nice cake. I promise you guys, I know how to bake this cake. It has been so hot here in Texas. This box cake for me, unless it's being paid for, and of course, then I have to make it from scratch. But this is a favor cake. I'm doing this for a favor, and she wanted me to bring it the way I had brought it before, so it was a box cake. But anyway, I want you guys to see this color. See when I say the orange that's going to represent the apricot nectar? And you can really smell the nectar in here. Okay, let's cut this off, and let's add the rest of the batter. I hope you guys had a good and safe 4th of July. I did, but I'm tired. I'm like, ugh. I could stay home and stuff. I was moving and called it a day, but since I was invited, I had to go. See that? That is really nice and smooth. I know apricot nectar might be strange for some of you guys. I promise. You take this, you're gonna be, oh my God, this cake is freaking awesome. Okay, I think that is enough. So what I'm going to do now, I have a greased and floured bundt pan that you're going to put it in. So here is my bundt pan right here that I've greased and I've floured. So we're just going to pour this batter in here. Try to do it pretty even, and always stir the batter before you put it in your bundt pan. All right. And at the end of this cake, you guys will get to see me because my daughter will be here. So we will finish the video where you can see my beautiful face and my country accent. I know I'm country, guys. I say some country stuff. All right. Wow. Is that gorgeous or what? Look at that. You're going to preheat your oven to 350, and you're going to cook this anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour. But please check it at 45 minutes, okay? And you can stick a toothpick in it, and if it comes out clean, it's done. Okay? I'll come back and show you guys how to make the glaze on this cake. I'll be back, you guys. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make the glaze for the apricot nectar cake Of course, my daughter said she would be here, and she's a no-show right now, so I'm going without her. Okay, I want you to add to a saucepan 11.3 fluid ounces of apricot nectar juice. So we're going to add this whole can. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of orange juice, and this glaze is going to be freaking awesome. And I'm going to say 3 teaspoons. I don't forgot where I put my teaspoon, so I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay. You know, that's old folks saying, girl, just eyeball that ingredients. Okay. So let's go with 1, 2, 3. That's 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. And then I want you to stir it. And this is really what is going to be the kicker. I also want you to set your stove. If you have numbers on it, set it to like 4. You don't want this to boil because you don't want it really thick because it's going to be a glaze. So you really have to watch it. And I'll come back and show you guys how it's supposed to look. Okay, and into this sauce, you're going to add apricots. And by adding the apricots, it really enhances the flavor. See, these are the apricots. You can get them in the bulk section. I actually found some apricots at Walmart that were in a bag. They were really good, but they were like $3.99 a bag. So that was pretty expensive. Okay. So we're going to add this to it, and we're going to give it a stir. And we're going to put it on the eye of the stove, like I said, at around 4. And I just want it to kind of simmer. Do not boil it. Just kind of simmer. And you'll see as you do that, the apricots will soften up, and it'll really intensify the glaze flavor. All right. So hopefully, when I come back, either my daughter will be here, or we'll put this baby together and keep rocking. All right. Here is the glaze. This is how your glaze should look. Not real thick, you know, just a little, to where when I take it off the spoon, you see that? All right, and I gotta go eat a crow sandwich. My daughter did show up, you guys, and I was like, okay, well, I'm already into it, but she did show up, so I have to apologize. Okay, I'm gonna cool this for 10 minutes, and we're gonna rock this baby out. Here is the finished product of the beautiful apricot nectar cake. You see that gorgeous color? Okay, let me show you what you're going to do with the glaze. Here's the glaze right here. And the apricots, I want you to leave them in. But you're going to take a pastry brush. This brush right here. First, take a toothpick and poke holes in top of the cake, okay? And then take this pastry brush, and you're just gonna glaze it like that. And I let the glaze cool for about 10 minutes. You don't want it, just cool completely, because you want the glaze to actually soak into the cake. Okay, you see how I'm doing that? Just continue to do it and leave the apricots in there. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with the apricots when I finish glazing the cake. And when I come back, this cake will be complete. Stay connected. Here is the finished product of the apricot nectar cake. Okay, you guys see what I did with the apricots? I filled the hole with the apricots, and I just added a few mint leaves for decoration, and just painted some of the apricot glaze on the mint leaves. All right, you guys, I'm going to bed pretty early. Please share and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching my videos. If you have any comments, please leave them for me. Whether they're bad or good, I always want to improve. Again, have a great evening, and God bless you guys.